Hello, third graders. This is Mrs. Coulter with your next assignment for this week. It is called Shopping Choices. This is the Shopping Choices Reasoning with Numbers activity. In this activity, you will be looking at a different list of items that a person can purchase. Then you will be given a rounded dollar amount and need to figure out which 3 items could be purchased for that dollar amount. Let's take a look at our goals for this activity. So goal 1 is to identify sets of objects whose total costs match an estimated sum. So we will need to discover which set of objects, maybe an apple, banana, and orange, that are added together have the sum or total that matches or rounds up to a given amount or sum. Goal 2, you're going to round money amounts to the nearest dollar or $10. Remember, when rounding to the nearest $10, you will look at the ones place. 5 or higher and you round up, and 4 or less, you let it rest. When rounding to the nearest dollar, you would look at the tens. So $1.60, you would look at the 60 cents. Is the 6 higher than 5? Yes, so you would round to the nearest dollar. That would mean it would be rounded to $2. Let's look at goal 3. Add money amounts using 3 add-ins. In this activity, you will purchase 3 items and need to add together those 3 items to find out the total or the sum. I think you are ready to try one together. Okay, let's get to the next one. Okay, the first thing you'll want to look at is the items. At the top, there is a title right here for the store or the place you are purchasing items from. For example, this one is Wanda's Toy Shop. You will see you could purchase a teddy bear for $15, a skateboard for $18, a basketball for $8, a yo-yo for $2, or a doll for $12. Then you will want to look at the person who is making the purchase and what the rounded dollar amount would be right here. Meg buys 3 items and the total to the nearest $10 is $40. So we would need to try and find one set of 3 items that added together, the total would be rounded to $40. That would mean we'd want our total to be between 35 and 44 because all those totals would round to 40 when rounding to the nearest $10. Which 3 items would cost about $40? If Megan bought both the skateboard and the yo-yo, what would the sum for these two be? So you take 18 plus $2, and that is equal to 20. Then I would need one more item that would round to $20. So probably the teddy bear. A teddy bear is $15. So the skateboard plus yo-yo plus teddy bear equals $35. Does that round to $40 when rounding to the nearest $10? Yes, it does. So I would write out those 3 items on the lines: teddy bear, skateboard, and yo-yo. Then it asks, what is the total cost? So then I would write $35. Now, we need to find a different combination of items to round to the $40. What about the basketball, doll, and skateboard? When adding all of those together, the sum would be $38. Does that work? Yes, it does. $38 rounds to $40. I hope you have fun with this activity. Happy shopping and good luck.